Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, January 21st, 2025, we're bringing you the latest update on the Indian stock market. In today's video, we'll cover the market performance, so let's dive into the details. Market overview, key indices. The Sensex closed at 76,415.35, marking a 0.85% decline. The Nifty 50 ended at 23,192.90 points, experiencing a 0.66% drop. Standout sectors. Financials had a tough day, with the sector slipping by 1%, driven by concerns over rising bad loans in the personal and micro credit sectors. Real estate also faced a significant pullback, with the sector falling by 4% due to broader market weakness. Top gainers, Suntech. Realty saw a positive performance, with its shares rising after reporting strong quarterly results. Venus Remedies also made gains after receiving key certifications for its products. Top losers, Zomato faced a significant downturn, with shares falling amid market volatility. Global cues. Asian markets showed mixed reactions, with some markets declining due to trade concerns, while others remained steady. On the global stage, US tariff announcements caused some uncertainty, with President Trump proposing potential 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada. This news has affected global market sentiment, currency, and commodities. The Indian rupee traded at 86.48 against the US dollar, appreciating by 0.2% from the previous day. Gold prices rose to 78,956 rupees per 10 grams in Delhi, reaching a new high for the year. Silver was valued at 95,500 rupees per kilogram in Delhi. Market sentiment. Investor sentiment today was cautiously pessimistic. Concerns over global trade uncertainty, coupled with domestic issues like asset quality in the banking sector, weighed heavily on the market. Overall, we saw significant volatility, with many sectors facing declines. That wraps up today's market update. We hope this video gave you some valuable insights into the current market conditions. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our future videos.